What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick introduction to the Autel EVO, and we'll also be unboxing the EVO Rugged Bundle. For those of you who have been following drones, you might be asking why an Autel EVO video now. So a brief history, we've been an Autel dealer since they started with the X-Star. Since then, at one point they took a little break, go back to the drawing boards, and then eventually in 2018 they released the EVO. So it's, some time has passed since then. Also around the same time as the launch of the EVO was DJI's Mavic 2. And so of course DJI makes great products, and so anytime they release something, it's easy for other things to get dismissed. And so what we wanted to do is we wanted to bring the EVO back into the spotlight since its release, because it is worth having a second look at, and it is worth considering, especially as an alternative to a DJI product if that's not what you're looking for. So again, in this video I'm going to introduce the Autel EVO and share with you why I think this stands out compared to some of the other drones in the market. I will also be unboxing their Rugged Bundle, which I think is a great value proposition. On the table with me is the Autel EVO Rugged Bundle. Basically the main part of the bundle is this case, and so I skipped the whole cardboard cutting, save you guys some time, because this is how it comes in the box with this piece of paper, this marketing material over it, and again everything else is packed inside the case. When you go to open the case, this is a Go Professional case, so it's very well made, and the cutouts are designed specifically for the EVO with compartments for everything you'll need. And again, that's a huge appeal to the bundle. Currently the bundle is priced at $11.99, and so this is easily one of the best value propositions that you're going to see in the market for drones today. You're going to want to stay, and you're going to want to look at our website for the most accurate pricing. So with tariffs, the whole tariff situation going on right now, these prices will change come October to $12.99 for the Rugged Bundle, which is still a fantastic deal considering what you're getting. So again, first thing to notice is the case. Then you have the EVO itself, very nicely packaged. I'll unfold it for you to show you what that looks like. So I'm not going to take any of the other stuff off right now, but this is what you have. And then you also get, so one thing you'll notice right away is a battery installed into the aircraft. So 1 battery, 2, and 3. You get the controller with it. One of the things I love about the controller is the built-in display. So from this display, you have 2 different options using this display button. You could see what the camera sees, or you could go into another window that'll show you, some of the important data from the drone, like battery life and all that stuff, signal strength. So again, the controller with the built-in display, which I love. Then you have, your little cables. You have extra propellers. And then you have your charger. And again, that's everything in the case with these nice convenient cutouts built specifically for the different things for your drone. Again, amazing value proposition. These GPC cases are usually above $100 on their own. I believe the Autel, the drone itself, is around $1,000 without the case and the extra batteries. So if you are going to get an EVO or are considering it, the Rugged Bundle is the best deal out there and is the best way to go. Now for some of the reasons why you might want to consider the Autel EVO. So number one, the biggest appeal to this drone easily is the fact that there's no flight restrictions built in, which is really nice. Some manufacturers will put a height ceiling. They'll build no-fly zones into the aircraft, meaning you can't fly in certain locations based off the GPS coordinates. With Autel, they trust that as a 107 operator, you know where you can and can't fly. They also know sometimes within these restricted areas, you'll have permission to fly. So all of that's on you. You never have to deal with that. That makes it just so much easier to deal with. Next, I love the built-in controller display. This is huge. So what this means for you is that you don't have to fly with a phone. You can. They do have an app that you can install on your phone, and then you can hook your phone up to here, and then you'll use that as a display. But without a phone, this still works great. You can see everything you need to see, and you can fly. And so to take it one step further, when you're not flying with your phone, you could deploy the EVO under 30 seconds. So you'll turn on the controller, turn on the drone, and within 30 seconds, you could be in the air flying and getting that crucial shot that you need, or surveying that scene that you're surveying. So again, hugely important. Next, it's comparable to other drones, the high-end drones on the market in terms of range. The EVO could fly out 4.3 miles, and not all drones can do that, and so that's one big plus for the EVO. Again, I'll say it again, the price point on this drone is huge, considering all the things you get in this bundle. It's going to be hard to find something similar that gives you the same amount of value for the amount of money. Last, as a little bonus, this doesn't apply to everybody, but this is a really cool accessory feature for the EVO, and that's the live deck. And what this is, it's a way to transmit the video from the drone in real time to, say, a mobile command center. And the way it works is this live deck connects directly to the EVO and takes the video feed, and then with an HDMI cable in the back, you're able to, and other ports for the different devices that you might have, you could take the feed from this device and plug it into, again, a mobile command center, a TV, a field monitor, anything that allows you to show the rest of your team what you're doing. And that is so valuable for some of the commercial operators out there who need the ability to share with their team. That's my review of the Autel EVO, and those are some of the features that I think are most appealing about this drone, and I think that you like too. So if you're looking for a drone that shoots 12 megapixel stills, 4K video at 60 frames per second, compact, quick deploy, built-in display, then the Autel EVO is definitely something worth considering. If you have a fleet of drones, it's worth considering to add to your fleet. If you're looking to just get started, this offers a great value proposition. So again, if you're interested in the Autel EVO, please consider Terrestrial Imaging and visit us on the web at www.terrestrialimaging.com.